Hi kiddos, and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to do the Zentangle Navratri drawing. And to start, before starting, children, I have been getting messages that my pencil drawing is not very clearly visible. After that, what I do with the marker is visible. So what I used to do, I used to teach the pencil drawing and then do the marker fatapat and then start it. And the marker part I used to omit. Now what I have done a topsy-turvy part. I have done my pencil sketch already. I will teach you the drawing with the marker. Don't you worry, I will teach you each and every step with the marker. And whatever you all want, please put it in the comment box, whether you all want pencil drawing fully visible to you or whether you want the marker drawing to be fully visible to you. Just put it in the comment box so that I can go accordingly. So I have already done my drawing today, but I'm going to teach you the steps. So to start with, first what we need to do to make the let me tell you what is the Zentangle art. I will tell you while I'm making. Okay, let me tell you the steps first. No. See, first we are making a lady. If it is clear, you all will have seen I have already made a lady. For that, what we need to do is, this marker is not right. Let me take the other one. What we do is, we make a undo. Okay, after making the undo, we make a small tikka and we are making the hair. Okay, we are not making the face because this is a Zentangle art. Zentangle art is nothing but a doodle art. Okay, now what we are doing is we are putting, after doing this undo, what you have to do is take 1 2 1 2. This is one angles, and similarly you have to leave some space and take 1 2 1 2. Okay, so these will be the position of the hand. Here you don't have to leave space, here you have to leave a little bit of space. Now after doing this, you will take a turn from here. Now the dupatta goes here and it comes down here. Now similarly we are going to make this round part here. Now this is the way the dupatta is going round, comes back here, and since the lady is flowing, मतलब गोल गोल घूम रही है, दिल्ली शहर में मरो गगरो जो घूमियो, तो ये दुपट्टा इधर पीछे से जाएगा. It will take a turn. Now the man's hand is going to come here, so it will take a turn and come back to the ghagra. Okay, now this will be a little bit of her tummy which is visible. Now what we are doing is making the hands. Now to make the hands, how it goes is the thumb here, then the index finger, and baki everything is rolled round, and then she's catching a dandiya. So is it easy? After making the face, please put the position of the hands and then the dupatta, and everything will follow. Now this is the turn, how she is holding the other dandiya. Now this is a Zentangle art, so we don't have to put so much of details inside. We are just making a dandiya here. Okay, now after that we have to make a ghagra. Now the ghagra ko to gher dena hi hai, so what we will do, we will just divide the ghagra into both sari kaliyan. कलियां इसकी कलियां. Okay, this is the dupatta, वो ऐसा करके घुमबटते हैं ना, it is like that. So now it comes from here, it comes from here, then it comes from here. बस ना. अच्छा, एक और बना लेते इस तरफ. Okay, then after that you just have to make these U patterns. Keep on making these U patterns for the dress. We'll make one more kali which is gone behind and it is coming here. Now the leg part. Now see the leg part, very simple. You just have to make one anguta, one round. After that you have to go flat and come back. Here, since she's dancing, her one leg will be a little far off, so you just have to give the shape. Very simple. Now we are going to make a man. We can divide this like that, because see, we are not going to color this part. This is a Zentangle art, so it is going to be with full doodle. Okay, so this is the neckline. Now to make the man, what we have done is, first we have made the turban. Children, please tell me, what am I supposed to do? If you want me to do the pencil first and do the marker, aram se, or if you want both, then too it is okay. The only thing is that my video goes very long, और मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि कोई कंटाला नहीं आना चाहिए, किसी को भी कंटाला नहीं आना चाहिए. Okay, so this is just a square which we have made. This is the turban, this is the hair part, children. This is the hair part. Okay, this is the hair part. Then this is the collar of the man, and this is a square which we have made. Now the hand of the man goes up like that. It takes a turn. And now this is his hand. Okay. Even I don't know what I have made. नहीं पता नहीं क्या बना दिया मैंने, पर चलेगा, वो सब छुप जाएगा, don't worry. So this is the other hand which I have made. Full mota sleeves, manly sleeves. This is one more dandiya which he is holding. Okay. Now after that, you know, this type of dress I had seen Jetalal wearing in Tarak Mehta का उल्टा चश्मा, ऐसा वाला ड्रेस. उससे पहले मैंने कभी नहीं देखा था. ऐसा लगता है मिनी पहनी हुई है, मिनी फ्रॉक पहनी हुई है ना. So we are making this, and this like this for the man also. Something comes out from here, and then we have to divide it into many. Then this is his pajama. What we are supposed to do is make the entire figure as it is, without making the details of the eyes and nose, but the entire figure has to be made as it is. Now what is the difference between a doodle and a Zentangle? Doodle is what you do, you know, when you are getting bored in the lecture or back page पे ऐसा हम लोग ऐसा flower, see, we make na flower, then we make a smiley. Then अगर कोई किसी पेपर पे अगर ऐसा फेस बना तो उसकी ऐसे ऐसे मुच्छी बनाते, फिर उसकी दाढ़ी बनाते. लड़का होता है तो उसको लिपस्टिक पिना देते, लड़की होती है तो उसकी मुच्छी दाढ़ी बना देते. दिस इज़ नथिंग बट that is doodle. Doodle is done out of your curiosity, and ये Zentangle art is done. You make a figure and then you make designs inside the figure. That is, you do doodles inside the figure. That is what is called as a Zentangle art. Now what I am going to do is make this blouse also. Now every part we are going to make some or the other design. Now for the dupatta, first we shall start, I'll start with these so that you know I get the flow. So what am I going to do in this? I'm going to make some triangles. Bade triangle, chote triangle. Okay, I have made few triangles. और बाकी का जो area है, I will just take my motor marker. Okay, I'll just take a motor marker and the बाकी का area I'll color it with my marker. I'll have to stop the video because this marker is not writing. I'll have to go and get another marker. So after I do this gully, I'm going to do that. This I'm not just going to stop it in between. Okay, so I have done this. Okay, for the next gully, what designs you want? We can make leheriya. Oh, this is not writing. What is happening? So we'll make leheriya. You can make any damn design, whichever you feel you want to do. Okay, whatever comes to your mind, that design you can do. but it should be soothing to your eyes, correct? That's the only criteria of this. Okay, after I have done this part I just don't want to keep it like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a border here. Okay, I'm going to color this border black, and I'm going to make one diya aisa. First let me make few diyas. Okay, after making few diyas I'm going to make 2 triangles here, 2 triangles here, and I'm going to color this area full black. I'm just giving a little border to it, that's it. So I've given a border to it, and then I take this one, I make it a bit thick. Now you have to think of some other design. So the other design which comes to my mind is a circle, 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 and we need to keep on coloring. Okay, so we'll make few undos while coloring it. This is a easy method of doing it. Whatever doodle comes to my mind. Today my doodling is filling of colors, so that is the doodle which I am doing. See, this video is going to be long, children, because it is a doodle, like it's like the mandala art which we did. Mandala art तो मैंने halfway छोड़कर सिखा दिया था. इसमें मैं क्या halfway छोड़ूं? बोलो बोलो बच्चों बोलो. अब मैं फटाफट पहले अंडे बना देती हूँ, है ना. इसमें मैं क्या छोड़ूं halfway? कुछ छोड़ सकती हूँ, नहीं छोड़ सकती. So this is also going to be a big video. Okay, there should be one circle here also. It's fun doing it, children. It is a therapy, it is a stress buster, it is a time pass, whatever you say. Art is as it is a lovely thing to do when you're free. And people who like to doodle more, for me this is very tedious. For me, doing that colorful art फटाफट is better than doing this minute work. So I have done 1 2 3. Abhi again this ghagra has to be some. Okay, so I will do 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and I'll color this part. I'll color this part. 1 2 3, 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 color this part. 1 2 3. अभी ये कलर हो जाएगा. 1 2 3, color this part. 1 2 3. अभी इधर क्या करें, ऐसा ऐसा कर देते. Color this part. 1 2 3, color this part. 1 2 3. This art is loved by girls because girls have the patience. Boys तो सारा patience खो देती है. Now this part again we shall do leheriya so that it looks pretty. It should look something should look symmetrical, correct? So this is a Navratri drawing with Zentangle art. Ding chicka ding chicka ding. Hey children, I've already done my Spider-Man. I don't know what I'm going to post before. but the person who has asked me to do Spider-Man, I have done. I'll show it. नहीं तो वो लोग बोलेंगे मेरे को विश्वास ही नहीं है. See, I've done my Spider-Man. This is the other art which I'm doing. अभी इधर क्या करें? इधर अंडे तो नहीं बनाऊंगी, बहुत टाइम लगता है. Okay, I'll make few big triangles now. ये क्या कर दिया? It takes time to color with the sketch pen. One टिक्का. फिर इसको कलर किया, इसको कलर किया, इसको कलर किया, इसको बड़ा ट्रायंगल बनाया. हाँ, ये ट्रायंगल नहीं है. डिक चिक डाउन. So coloring. मेरा बोलते बोलते मुंह ही सूख गया. ए प्लीज मेरे को ऐसे कष्टदायक काम मत ऐसा करवाया करो मेरे से, जो मेरे को इतना कष्टदायक हो जाता है. 1 2 3. मैं तो वापस से रिपीट कर रही. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. आगे तो बढ़. 1 2 3 है ना. तनु टीचर आगे बढ़ो. तनु टीचर 1 2 3 पे ही अटक गई. किसने बोला जेंटेंगल हर्ट? Okay, so this is just bum. So her ghagra is done. Now to do the ghagra is done. So this part is the सुनरी part. तो सुनरी पार्ट में हम लोग सिर्फ ऐसा लहरिया नहीं दिखता ही नहीं है. तो हम लोग एक काम करेंगे, इसको एक को डार्क करेंगे, एक को वाइट, एक को ब्लैक, एक को वाइट, तो कुछ तो दिखेगा. अभी दिस पार्ट, दिस सुनरी, इसको हम लोग सिर्फ ऐसे है ना लाइंस देते हैं इधर. दिस इज वन पार्ट. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट वी विल डू 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. पहले 3 में अटकी, अभी 4 पर अटक गई है ना. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. मेरे को कुछ सूझ रही नहीं. जब सूझेगा ना तब मेरा मुंह भी सूझ जाएगा. So I'm giving it a big thick border so that we can differentiate between the two. Now what we are going to do is make a little bit of spirals. Yes, this would be better. मैं सोच रही हूँ मेरा जितना कम काम हो उतना अच्छा है ना, नहीं तो तुम लोग के चक्कर में मेरे काम ही नहीं ख़त्म होंगे. स्पाइरल 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 स्पाइरल. ओ स्पाइरल स्पाइरल स्पाइरल. अच्छा, ये बाल को हम लोग ने पूरा काला कर दिया. अभी ये पार्ट तो पूरा स्पाइरल स्पाइरल ही होएगा ना. स्पाइरल 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 स्पा. You just have to make the borders sharp, crisp. So इधर का जेंटेंगल ये हो गया. अभी इसका ब्लाउज का ये पार्ट अपन पूरा काला काला कर देती, ये पार्ट भी पूरा काला काला कर देती. उसके बाद हम लोग सिर्फ 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, now if you wish you can do the skin, your wish. If you do not want to do the skin, you all can leave it like that and do the dandiya with some sort of doodle. It is completely your wish, children. If you all want to do the skin pe bhi you can do doodles, but I would love to keep it like that. I'm not going to do the skin any color. अभी इसको मैं चूड़ी पहना देती है बस. बिना चूड़ी के नवरात्रि में मज़ा नहीं आएगा ना, इसलिए. ओके, तो इसको मैंने चूड़ी पहना दी. नाउ विद द मैन, नाउ वी हैव कम बैक टू द मैन. मैन को भी ऐसा डांडिया कर देती है मैं. डिक चिका डिक चिक डा, डिक चक्का डिक चिक्का डिक चिक्का डिक चिक्का डा. अभी इसके इधर हम लोग बनाते हैं, ऐसा होता है ना कुछ. This is the mehndi design which you all are making, children, so make it anyhow, however you want. And let's give this a little bit of, now this can be black. No, I'm just putting one line in between. Sorry. Now the hand part, so let me do it like that. Let me see what am I going to do. I'm not sure. Just started. Whatever comes to your mind has to be done. You just have to border that later on again. Now you just can border this part again. Okay, you can take this as black so that you can show the difference. Now since this hair is black, I cannot do the collar black, and pagdi also हम ज़्यादा नहीं कर पाएंगे, so let it be. Now this design, so this design should be similar to this, so that what we do is make triangles here. Color this part. There might be some children who might enjoy all this, but for me it is I'm making matching, huh? इसलिए. Okay, now I am making this ऐसा. अभी क्या है, सर्कल. ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाने का, तो ऐसा मैचिंग करके कर सकते हैं. नो प्रॉब्लम्स एट ऑल. हमने तो मैचिंग बनाया है ना. डन. अभी ऐसा 1 2 3 1 2 3 आ गया वापस. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. बस. अभी ये दोनों का डिफरेंस कैसा पता चलेगा. अभी वापस से लहरिया 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 लहरिया. उसके बाद वापस से ट्रायंगल है ना. हाँ, क्या करें, ट्रायंगल बनाए, ट्रायंगल ही बनाते हैं. This is the filling doodle. Filling doodles look very pretty, children. Please opt for it. They look pretty. ये हो गया. अभी इसका ये पार्ट है. अभी ये पार्ट को एकदम गहरा किया, तो ये पार्ट को ज़्यादा नहीं करते हुए we will just leave it like that and we will do this part. So इस पार्ट का करने के लिए what we will do is make minute lines. ऐसा, फिर ऐसा जाएगा, फिर ये ऐसा जाएगा, फिर ये टर्न होकर ऐसा जाएगा, फिर ये टर्न होके ऐसा जिग, फिर ये टर्न होके ऐसा जिग, फिर ये टर्न होके ऐसा जिग, फिर टर्न लेके ऐसा जिग, फिर ये टर्न लेके ऐसा जिग, फिर ये टर्न लेके ऐसा जिग, फिर ऐसा हो जाएगा, फिर ऐसा जिग, फिर ऐसा, फिर ऐसा 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 ऐसा. I only don't know what I've done. But it is fun. Now this, okay, we will do one black, one white like how we did for this girl. So we'll make one black, one white, one black and one white. अभी इधर भी हम लोग सेम पजामा करेंगे. सो ऐसा किया, फिर इधर टर्न लेके ऐसा किया, फिर 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 ऐसा किया. Then you have to do the borders thick. Now this part is looking a bit awkward. I'm just seeing what should I do, because if I make everything very kala, so it will not look nice. So let this be the same way as it is, like the pagdi. Let the pagdi be like that. Correct? The pagda. And a Navratri Zentangle art is done. It's a beautiful art, children. Please, if you all have the patience, please go in for this art. You will enjoy it. I'm damn sure about it. Damn sure. So bye till then and good night.